guys, I'm here at the Garden Inn Truck Plaza, and I am in Cabool, Missouri, guys. They got a fuel aisle on the side here. They got a fuel aisle out back. It says a snack shop, but let me tell you, the restaurant inside is a huge menu, and the food is very good. Nice, clean establishment. We've got good parking, multi-day parking if you want to drop a trailer. Like I say, very nice, very clean place, very nice staff. They've got all the necessities, all the snacks and the gear and lights, and got a little corner back here. Like I say, if you run into troubles, they got you get out of trouble corner there with parts, accessories, lights, and such. Got showers, a nice driver's lounge. Hey, let's look at the fuel aisle out back while we're here. This is the fuel aisle out back. It's an easy in, easy out location. I think there's like a couple ways to get in this joint. I know there is. I'm thinking whether there's 2 or 3, but anywho, let's go check out the restaurant. Things you're going to want to know, things that you may want to see in this video. But they got anything you need here. Looks like they're having a breakfast special today. They've got the bar if you're here for the night. And they've got the full-on salad bar over here, which I actually had that along with my meal last night. Had a killer burger, had like onion rings, barbecue sauce, all the goodies on it. The salad bar is full-on, lots of variety and choices. Got some entertainment over here. This is a great place, guys, to settle in or drop a trailer. We got truck parking, guys, right here in Cabool, Missouri. Check it out. It's on the Truck Parking Club map. Check out the other videos, or not videos, but the other pictures that have the map, or on the map, and you can see this location. Speaking of maps, pretty cool. They've got a map on their bags of ice. But hey, check it out, guys. Great location to park your truck. TruckParkingClub.com.